What's going on YouTube? Rip&Tip Outdoors. I'm Dustin Fox. Yes, I have a new hat on. I won this hat from Osney's Fishing Adventures giveaway. It is a Wolfpack Performance Fishing hat. They are a fishing apparel company. After winning this hat, I looked into it. I did a little research, and I really thought that company was going in the right direction. They have some cool stuff. It's all affordable. Let me take a look here, see if we can see it. So I reached out to the company, and I am happy to say that Rip&Tip Outdoors, myself and Rick, are now partnered with Wolfpack Performance Fishing. If you haven't seen them, haven't heard of them like I didn't even hear of this company until I won this giveaway. Go out to the website, take a look for yourself of what they offer. They've got hoodies, they've got long sleeves, they've got t-shirts, they've got women's apparel, they got kids apparel, and it's all super affordable. They've got hats, of course. I will leave a description and the link, or I'll leave a link down in the description. And I'll also leave a promo discount code. You get 10% off. Use that code. Everybody likes to save money, so I'll leave that code down there too. Use it. It doesn't just help me out, it helps you guys out. It saves you 10%, and it also tells the company that Rip&Tip is out there spreading the news about their company. So anyways, enough said about that. It is the 22nd of August today. I haven't done any fishing lately. I'm going to head out to the creek today and see if I can catch any brown trout. Stay tuned.
Yeah, I get it, you're an outcast. Always under attack, always coming in last. Bringing up the past, no one owes you anything. I think you need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass. So paranoid, watch your back. Oh my, here we go, another loose cannon gone bipolar. Slip down, couldn't get much lower. Quicksand's got no sense of humor. I'm still laughing like hell. You think that a crime to me? Looking so sorry that I'm gonna believe you've been affected.
All right, made it to the creek. Last time I was here, it was muddy, and now it looks pretty clear. I can see clear to the bottom. I'm going to start out with a Yozuri floating pins brown trout pattern and see what we can catch. Fish on. Fish on. Nice little brown. And of course I didn't lose, but I didn't bring my pliers. Gorgeous little brown trout. Let's get him off. Nice. There he goes. Oh, fish on. Oh, feels like a good brown. He's trying to, oh, he got me up underneath the bank. We're all caught up. Oh, what a gorgeous looking brown. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what we're coming out here to catch. And he blew up on that. That's a gorgeous brown. I have nowhere to set my fishing pole out here. There he is. Gorgeous looking brown trout. Let's get him back in. Well, that's new. There's a beaver in town. I have to get on shore here to see what the hell is going on. And all the deer beds. Beaver poop. Holy crap. I made it around the beaver pond somewhat. I knew this pond was a beaver pond. I've seen a beaver in here. But he's done some big time work. Ah, there's one. See if we can land this one. Just a little guy, but beautiful. Beautiful looking fish. He got all of them. Come on, buddy. Let go of that last hook. There he is. There he goes. There's one. Little guy. Little guy, little guy. Oh, nice looking fish. All through the top of the nose. I'm getting back in. There he goes. Oh, nice fish. Nice looking brownie. Okay, buddy. All right. Look at that fish. Oh, barely had him hooked. Nice looking fish. Let's get him back in. There he goes. All right. Well, I think I'm going to call it quits now. I'm at the bridge where I have to get back up on the road and hike back to the pickup. Overall, we caught some nice fish today. I lost a bunch. I just couldn't keep them hooked. And that's just how it goes. But the ones that I did catch and were able to land, they were nice. I had fun. It was a good day. If you like what we're doing on Rip&Tip Outdoors, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when we upload videos. Put a big thumbs up. If you want, put a big thumbs down. Leave comments down below. I will get back to you. Until next time, everybody, Rip&Tip Outdoors. Later.